Welcome back to the Learning Box by Puntoon Kids. So I hope all my babies have been watching the videos and learning numbers from it. Yes? Are we doing it? Great. So then you all should know how are we going to start before we learn a new number today? Yes, we are going to start by making the blocks and climbing up the steps. So what are we going to start with? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Superb! So today, let me see what's the new number. I am going to do the number that comes after 3. Come on, who can tell me which number comes after 3? Can you tell me? Excellent job, you're right. It's number 4. Which number is this? Number 4. Come on, all of you read it. Number 4. And let's see, what do I have here? That's the number word 4. Come on, let's read it together. 4. Again. 4. Superb. And now we are going to count your favorite smileys together. Are you ready? Come on. Let's see how many smileys do I have. Come on, count with me. Every time I put a smiley, you have to say the number, okay? This is 1. And how many? Very good. 2. And 3 and 4. Superb. Come on, let's count the smileys together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's number 4, number word 4 and 4 smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take the smileys away. And I know you all like to play with something. And we are going to count those now. Let's get set. Let's see, what do we have? Count, count. Yes, that's a ball. So count, how many do I have? 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. Yes? So how many balls do I have? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's number 4. Number word 4. 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? And now let's all of us clap 4 times. Yeah, let's do it together. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should I clap more times? No, because we are clapping for number 4. Okay, now let's tap our head. Yes? And how many times are we going to tap our head? 1 time? No. 3 times? No. We are going to tap it 4 times. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Superb. And now what I want all my babies to do is quickly run to the kitchen, get some clay or dough and get a steel plate and come back. We are going to make number 4 with clay. Yes? So are we back? I have my board here. And what are we going to do? I'm sure you all know it. When we have to make a number or a letter, what are we going to do? We are first going to make a snake. So come on, let's all of us make a nice long snake. What are we going to do? We are going to make a nice long snake. So is everyone's snake ready? And now let's cut it a little. First we shall put a slanting line. Yeah, let's all of us put a slanting line. Then let's take another part of the snake and put a sleeping line. See, what have I done? I've put a sleeping line. And now a little small snake. Okay. And we shall put a standing line on the sleeping line. Which number have we made? It's number 4. Which number is this? Number 4. So let's all of us take our pointer finger and trace it. Start from up, make a slanting line going down, and then a sleeping line, and then a standing small line. Yes? Let's do it once more. Let's take our pointer fingers, slanting line, going down, sleeping line, and then a small standing line. So I hope all of you have learned the number 4. So now I am going to blow the whistle. How many times for number 4? 4 times. And if you have liked the video and learnt your number 4, I want you to clap when I whistle. So we are going to do it 4 times, okay? Superb! So I hope all of you all have liked it, enjoyed it. So please do share, like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.